Di pa tumatama ng tuluyan ang mga shooting ni Simon this season. Until now.
Medyo mabilis ang laro. Nako.
Ito 6-7 lang, pero tingnan natin dahil ang rain or shine in every single game so far, they've been severe. Hindi po safe pa, pero usually napapansin natin as karakot steps. Kasi Dok, okay lang yun kung bihira ka naman mag-free throw eh. Pero ang average si Junmar, 10 free throw attempt. Kakwentuhan natin si Jericho kanina, baka mga 10 to 15 minutes lang pagbigyan daw siya. Pero pag kailangan
Siya ng foul. Hindi niya mag-grip na mabuti.
ng batak bagong paso, walang problema.
Over the head of San Miguel player. 3-point attempt!
Junmar!
Mga kukwento tayo dyan eh. They stepped 61 out of 62 in the fourth quarter.
San Miguel trying to get into their set down by 11. Marshall to Aska. Reverse na naman. From top of the key, no come on him. Jericho going to the spin. Nakakasabit.
Ang nangyari para sa kanya.
Isipin mo, 10 puntos kagad itong si Nokum.
Nice pass.
Frontial from
Ganyan niya, iba yan.
ng Rainer Shan kaninang first quarter. Stingrays!
Let's see.
Treadmill puts it up from the elbow. He's got that.
Delikado yun.
Biro lang ni Coach. Hindi naman natin alam kung cup talaga.
Ayun. Nawala na sa buong ano. Very easy.
And CJ kicks. Ross launches. And Cruz from D. Punches it through.
Kahit ang kanyang shooting. What I've seen so far, I don't know.
Clarito showing us his accuracy.
The blocks already for the big men.
Nabatak all the way. Sa ating PBA season, 12 pa lang ang successful. Dok, 24. Marshall again. Clarito. Nagpanik. Nokum fearless.
Yes!
Time. Nokum sticking with him. Marshall turnaround jumper. That's good.
So, paano mong gagawin? May ng bata ka pa.
Ayun, nagpapaalala si Gian. Alberto. Pangilan na yan, Roy? Pang-5. Karamihan sa quarter na to. Karakot. Over to Mabu.
Ang bagal talaga tumakbo.
Marshall pulls the trigger. Bang! Almost lost it. CJ.
Napaganda eh.
With an M, Doc, at halftime. Oh!
Mamuya.
Sa ating PBA Wednesday.
Libre.
Lassiter.
Mamuya!
Black Marshall again.
Tinamaan sa kamay. Tinamaan sa kamay.